Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a shadow to your texts on Adobe Express. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in express.adobe.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Adobe Express website where you will need to log in if you haven't done so already by clicking on the login button at the top right corner and using your credentials. After logging in, you can start working on any of your old designs or work on a new one entirely. Now, within your project, if you have any text and you wish to add a shadow from this text underneath, then first of all, go ahead and highlight the text on which you would like to add a shadow. After choosing the text, just scroll down and then you will see the shadow option. Go ahead and click on it and you can now choose from various different kinds of shadows that can be added to your text. Just click on all of the different patterns and you will be able to see a preview. After you find your desired shadow, it will immediately be applied and you can also choose the color of your shadow. You may also click on the custom option in order to define the angle, the blur intensity, as well as the distance from the actual text. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a shadow onto your text on Adobe Express. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.